There are numerous websites out there that aim to con you, steal your money, and squander your time. This is a list that I took seriously. I investigated them, read reviews, and tested them out. These 10 websites have all been checked and are entirely legitimate. Hey guys, welcome back to Glory Investing Show. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about 10 websites that can help you earn a respectable living while working at home and earning money online. And without further waiting, let's get into it. Number 1. Google Opinion Rewards. You can generate income online by taking surveys, but let's face it, most of these web pages are complete scams, and you might only get paid a few dollars for your time. However, according to the majority of reviews, 2.6 million, Google Opinion Rewards is distinctive and it works extremely well for beginners. The same firm that operates Google is the source of Google Opinion Rewards. Google is the largest company in the world. Therefore, even though it's simpler for lesser survey websites to defraud you, Google is likely to keep their agreement to reward you for taking surveys. With Google Opinion Rewards, you can take very brief surveys, some of which only last a few seconds, and get paid for them. You can do this while driving home from work, lounging in bed every night, or, shall I say, even while you're in a gathering. Starting is simple. Try downloading the app from the App Store or Android device. Reply to a few questions regarding yourself, and you'll start to receive notifications whenever a survey is available for you to start taking. The funds are sent straightforwardly to your PayPal account. Undoubtedly, this isn't exactly the sort of app that will substitute your job, but even a few additional dollars during downtime will quickly add up. It won't be cash that will change your life, though. Number 2. Enroll. The Enroll app is designed to give you the chance to advise businesses on how to communicate with their consumers more effectively. Then they compensate you for the assistance. You can use Enroll to assist a business in making decisions on which logo is superior, to help clarify the material, to voice your preference for a certain website design, etc. What sets Enroll apart from some of the other websites on this ranking is that Enroll pays you for taking usefulness tests and supplying constructive criticism experience and personal. Enroll is a usability evaluation webpage that enables you to make easy cash testing websites, mobile apps, and other things of that nature. You can enroll without a mic or video camera by checking the prerequisites, following the instructions, and responding to a few straightforward questions about your website experience. A quick test can give you between 50 cents and $2, and a larger test can generate up to $10. You could still use this webpage in conjunction with the other internet sites that we'll discuss in a moment. Even though some great user screening websites do pay higher wages, we'll go through those as soon as possible. Number 3. Second to none. Being a mystery shopper is not a proven method to become rich. It's a fantastic method to earn extra money while you're idle, though. Take attention when completing surveys and reports, because accurate and thorough reports encourage employers to give you additional responsibilities. Take each project seriously, because they won't be willing to provide you extra work if they discover that your reports are inaccurate and quickly written. You earn more money by performing more shops. Your efforts will be recognized as soon as you're dealing with an MSPA-certified business. You can register with and begin making extra money by engaging in activities like consuming and shopping with second-to-none secret shoppers. Work is accessible as an independent consultant on a scheduled basis, and you will have complete discretion about whether to approve or disapprove a given assignment when it's made available. A stable internet connection and a mode of transport system getting managed to start as a secret shopper is simple, and you could begin earning quite as much as $20 per hour. Second to None was chosen as Inc.'s most acceptable place to live and work in 2019, as well as offers buying assignments from across the US and Canada. Number 4. Foap. Join routine Foap missions, which typically call for particular items in images or videos. $100 to $500 in rewards are offered. These missions typically only have one victor. Your images can be purchased for $10 each for a typical mission, but they can cost up to $60 in an exceptional mission. Take note that you share your profits 50-50 with Foap. Number 5. Bird. Riders identify and unlock scooters using their smartphones, and they also pay for each minute of use. Riders do not need to take them back after they reach their location. Simply leave them in a secure location. The Bird chargers are useful in this situation. They use a smartphone to find the scooters and scoop them up, using the hardware the company sends to them. The chargers recharge the bicycles throughout an entire night before delivering them to the appropriate locations for drop-off the next day. Bird scooters cost $1 to unlock and 10 cents to 35 cents per minute to rent. However, the exact per-minute cost varies between cities. If you ask me, this is pretty similar to our dividend stocks, constant income coming in with minimum work. There is also a second option for this hustle. Birds must be collected and recharged every night. Bird pays from $5 to $20 per scooter per charge, depending on how difficult it is to locate and how much juice it needs. Number 6. Market Force. You may get paid to serve as an investigative shopper with Market Force. You can conduct mystery shops while on the go with Market Force's mobile app, submit your analysis, snap photographs, and get rewarded for each assignment. Market Force is an excellent app if you love shopping and want to earn additional money while doing so. The program will be most useful to those who want to plan and finish mystery shopping jobs that match their daily schedule. When you do a commercial assignment, you act as a salesperson and visit the store to assess its level of service. As you honestly assess the service you received, you could be requested to look at the merchandise. Number 7. Gigwalk. The versatility of Gigwalk is one of its major benefits. You choose whether you desire the gig, whether it suits your schedule, or whether you're going to pass it up in favor of another opportunity. You are not restricted to simply your hometown, which is another fantastic advantage. The app's Search This Region function can be used to view what is nearby as well as farther away. The Gigwalk app posts a gig, which then appears on the map. The payout amount, a succinct explanation, and the location are all included in each gig ad. Depending on the position of your smartphone, mileage is calculated. Number 8. Snapwire. Another app that lets you sell your photos for money is Snapwire. On Snapwire, there are essentially two main ways for photographers to make money. They can first participate in a single or multiple challenge or requests that have been submitted. Although the payouts vary, it appears that $50 is the average for each photograph that is selected. However, photographers can either list their stock photos in their collection or on the market and charge whatever they want for it. Number 9. Scribie. Your only responsibility as a newbie is raw transcription. They might advance you to the position of reviewer or proofreader. In actuality, the wait time won't be very long. Only 10 accurate transcriptions are required to move up a rank. Naturally, this implies that your payment rate will increase a little bit. You do not need to copy anything verbatim. The platform features a transcription tool that will give you the raw handwritten file with a reliability rate of roughly 60%. You must listen to the audio several times, contrast it to the transcription, and correct any mistakes you find. Number 10. Field Agent. You may earn money using the free app by auditing retail businesses, conducting market research, and secret shopping. You'll be paid as soon as you finish the task in the allowed time. You can download Field Agent for iOS or Android. After downloading the app and registering, you'll have the choice to carry out several brief training exercises. These chores won't involve traveling anywhere. Instead, they're just meant to test your ability to adhere to instructions. You don't need to drive around looking for work thanks to this app, which is a plus. By selecting the menu button in the upper right-hand corner of the app, you may tailor your job hunt. Please comment your favorite hustle for today's list down in the comments. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found the video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. And while you're here, click to watch one of the 2 videos appearing on your screen right now. I'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.